What's up guys, JT over at Team FAS Motorsports again, and today we're going to be installing a Savage UTV Belt Case on a Razor XP 1000. If you find our channel useful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video, and we'll continue bringing you guys more content, product reviews, installs, and some great giveaways. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so when you get the case here, this is the Savage UTV Belt Case. You'll have your one foam insert, your second foam insert, and then you'll have all your hardware and such down here. Very, very easy to install. There's two brackets. I already have actually one bolted up here on the bottom. This one's gonna go here. These all fit right into the spots right here below the foam. So you don't need a wrench on the backside to hold them. And we'll just go ahead and find a good spot on the roll cage for this customer and get this thing installed for him. Okay, so now we're over to the back of the machine. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just mount the box up here. You will, as you can see, we put the brackets on the bottom here. Your hose clamps will go through here. They're gonna go right through both of these and around your roll cage. So it is a little bit tough. So what I would suggest doing is taking one side of the bracket out, just getting those mounted in there like that. Then you come back around and put your bolt back through and get that all lined up with the nut inside. Okay, so once you have your clamps through there, you can go ahead and tighten both of these bolts up on both brackets, and then we'll go ahead and get the hose clamp onto the roll cage. Now obviously these are going to go right here. I always like to mount these so that it flips outward. Then if you have a cooler or any of the storage boxes, this won't be in the way or hitting anything. Plus, if you mount your belt tool in the cutouts in the foam, then everything will be closer to where you're working on the belt below. You just want to snug these at first so you can get it into position of where you're going to want it on your vehicle. That's it. Once that's done, you can go ahead and get your foam inserts. Place those in there. Now what I usually do is we use the Tusk belt tool. So I'll usually just do a cutout and place the belt tool right in here with the two sockets. And then we'll put our belt on this side. Using the Trinity World's Best belt as our spare. It's going to go right there. And your insert will just go in to keep everything nice and tight. And that's it. Now you're all set up and ready to go on the trail. Again, these are available on teamfasmotorsports.com, or you can give us a call, 914-799-5558. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. As always, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.